Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Webull paper trading. We'll cover finding the feature, activating your simulated account, and funding it with virtual cash. This easy method helps you practice trading strategies without any real financial risk. It's a fantastic way to learn the platform and test your skills before committing actual capital, building confidence along the way. Once activated, you'll find the paper trading interface mirrors the live trading environment. You can explore real-time market data, place simulated buy and sell orders for stocks, options, and even cryptocurrencies. Track your virtual portfolio's performance and analyze your trading decisions. It's designed to give you a truly realistic experience, preparing you for live markets. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Quick recommendation: just like you're preparing for trading, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Webull's paper trading isn't just for beginners. You can practice with advanced order types, like stop loss and take profit, to refine your risk management. Experiment with various trading strategies, from day trading to swing trading, all without financial exposure. Plus, you can easily reset your account balance whenever you need a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.